This is just a quick video to show you how to access maintenance mode on a Brother printer. This particular model is the MFC J4620DW printer, and this particular method does work for a number of different models as well. I'll post the ones that I know of in my description below. Now, sometimes you might need to access maintenance mode in order to override particular errors with your printer, to clear different counts and just change some different functions on the printer in order to override an error message that pops up on the home screen. This particular maintenance mode is used by service technicians, so you won't find this in your user manual. All you need to do though, it is so simple. Just click out of the home screen so that your home button here illuminates, and then hold it down for about 5 seconds or so. You'll get into this other screen now, and you'll see the bottom tab here is blank. All you do is hold that bottom tab for about 3 seconds, and you'll get a number of keys. A bunch of different numbers and functions. To get into maintenance mode itself, you need to press the star and then 2864. You'll get a beep. This is where you now enter whichever error code that shows up on your printer that you want to access. And so my particular one that I just recently had to use was 80. Okay, and then once you get into whichever function you're after, you need to scroll over a couple of times until you get to these arrows here. So just click up and you'll get all these different options. When you find the one that you need, you'll need to then enter another code to do whichever function you're after. And once you've done that, press stop in order to get back into the main screen, and to get out of the maintenance mode itself, just press 99 and you're out. I'm also going to show another video just to show step by step for fixing the error that I was after, which was the purge count, in order to fix the ink absorber pad full error message. So I'll post that video shortly. And thanks for watching.